today I won't replace the belt. I have the second hand. So we try remove it or this panel, but probably if I want to remove this panel, I have to moving out this one and this central console. Yeah, if I want to remove this central console, I have to move this central console. Okay, so that will be a little bit funny job. Hopefully without any trouble. Okay, so let's start.
Should be one screw on the top. Should be one screw on the top, so mine is missing. Somebody forgot before. Okay, I'll remove this one as well. Let's make hands. 1 second.
Okay, we have another screw here. Lift this one. This is only pop up. Small like that. Don't forget the different size here. I have to remove this panel. This is the bolt with like that 8 spanner or screwdriver. Okay, this panel should be pop out first, I think. This one. Oh yeah. You see? Okay. What is done? Just one there is. Okay guys, you see we have the 3 screw here. I'll try to show you. 1, 2 and 3. So anyway, we have to remove this panel for unscrew this one. Okay, that's 8 socket screwdriver for other side. And we have to remove this panel for making space. If you want to move this panel, you have to move this panel. So, okay, that's funny. But this is a very good point for inspection of leaks, something, you know, because sometimes it's leaking the roof. It's not easy job, guys, because there's no space. Okay, one clip. another clip, and the last one. Okay. What next? Next we have to put this part pushing out. Yeah. But I have to remove the clips. Where is the infill? Is here. Okay. I completely don't see what I do. So just try fill. Out. Yep. Second, I think something's here. It's not easy, believe me. Especially if you don't see what to do. Okay. I don't remember the last one here, yeah. Okay, this is a little bit ridiculous, but I have to do. I think I have to do. Yep. This is not too easy. Moving out. Something left here. Yeah, one more clip left. Shower. That here. I forgot about. Yeah, I have to move out. Yep. Okay. It's now which way? Remove it. The all. Yes. Yep. There we go. Okay. This way, this way, this way. Come on. Okay, this here. And this. Oh my god. This is a ridiculous job. Okay. I have here the screw. Oh my god. Yeah. I have to remove it. Okay, one. Is the other one? Okay, it's here. Okay, there's a little fly. Okay, yes! That's the ridiculous point. Okay, if I remove this, now I can move the through another one. Okay. This is really a big joke. Oh, that's me, sorry. Alright guys, I have the last one, so I hope now I can yeah, that really ridiculous job, but should be done if you want. Push again here. Okay. Yes guys. Okay, so now we have few points and we can start remove this bar. Alright. I try open the roof. Maybe there's be more space. One cap, here. Remove the 17, remove the another 17, and yeah, it will. Alright, 14.
That's 14, right. As you can see, it's left. So next. Okay. Should be kept in there. Okay.
Okay, what we have here? 12, 12, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 is down. Because it's impossible to move with just the plastic. But before.
14. That's good. Brilliant.
Okay. One screw more. It's exactly that. This small one. This we have this. You have to open it as well. Okay, that's the seatbelt replace because it's worn. Okay, don't forget about ignition off. Small room, you have to remove it. Hopefully, not sure how it should be off. I'll just leave that. Okay. Okay, so we have one screw here and another here. 14 again. looks like 10. Okay, belt out. Okay guys, so what we have to here, not again trusted. Okay, hopefully this one what I have is exactly the same type. So I just go compare. Okay guys, that's my one with the worn belt. Did you see this? This is the second hand from the 2002. Yeah, we have the 2002 mark here. My one was, of course, second 199. Yeah, that's the original belt. Okay, so yeah, that's the best idea. You have the special connector here. I'm a little bit too early open the top, so we leave it the top, just disconnect the down, probably just like this, and be open self. We see how it will be. And alright, I fit it back, and hopefully it will be not light on, and everything will be alright. Yep, everything is exactly the same size. Cool. Alright, I try disconnect now the short loom. Let me see. Okay guys, raise with some, remove easily like that, and pushing. Oh, okay, this is the lock only. Okay, so we have to push in here and disconnect. That's all. So don't touch this side, just open that side. Cool. Okay guys, the first thing what I like it is connect back this one and locked, and push this one to the bracket like in the correct place. Alright, put back the belt. Yep. And bell, 17, 10. Alright, 17 now. Okay, it's moving, so that's the correct position. Okay guys, what the best idea now? Now we have to check it, what's happened in the airbag system, because we have the new belt, that's the second-hand belt, and hopefully the electronic system will be alright. So we started. Where's the airbag? Here. It will be off. SRS is off. Okay, this is the seat belt, so is off, so the system be alright. Perfect. So now we can put back everything for the reverse gear. Okay, that's be heavy just. Before put back the old plastic, will be great if you really check the belt is not twisted. That means, you know, this side be fitted like that, that way be fitted here, feeling perfect. How is the full belt out? Is not worn, looks very well, it's locked as well. Okay, so now we can come back. Okay, if we have space, so we can remove the back plastic for just clean. Alright, let's. If everything fitting fine, the SRS on the dash goes off, so now we can put back the roll bar. Construction is like that, so impossible to remove it just the plastic, because you have the connection here. So if you don't like it broken the plastic, so you have to remove the full set like I do. Okay, so we fit back. Hopefully will be alright. Okay, don't forget about the belt. Looks like everything is fine. So now, be not easy. Okay. So I show you the two there and another two in. Okay, so good luck. Lovely. Small cup. Okay, great. So now it will be great to put this a few screws. Don't forget about the one on the back. It's very dark there before this. And put that together. Alright. Okay guys. The new belt has the rubber cover. It's a little bit hard to tight, so I just remove the 4 bolt of the seats, remove the seats out, and that's be easy to fix, and I will have some more space for another jobs. Alright, we have another 2 front bolt for remove the seats for 12 spanner. Don't forget about the seat belt sensor, just like that. moving out. That's it. If the roof is open, that's nice. Alright, let's. Now we have space for everything. Ooh, I like it. Yeah. That's 14. Yeah. Now should be easy. Cool. That's the bag will be perfect. Look. Ta-da. Moving back. Lovely. I like it. It's best moment for making the Hoover this place. Yep, perfect. Okay, that seat belt so should be tight properly. Okay, few screw. All right, so now. Okay, now I try put back the box. One screw on the back. 1, 2, 3 screw here. All right, so let's go. Screw is exactly there. Very dark here, so I'm not sure you will see something, but you have to trust. Yeah, on the back is the one screw. There. This is the good idea. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Lovely. Now the hard job. Put back the console, and we have to screw the 1, 2, 3 to exactly this 1, 2, and 3. You know, I like it if the all screws come back to the correct place, because if not, sometimes it's something cracking or rattling or whatever. So it would be great if we put back together correctly. Tighten the last one, tighten the inside. Okay, I'm missing the 2 screws, so I go to find some another one. Alright. On top. Screw. Yep. You can use the electric screwdriver. if you're looking for how I use the handbrake, exactly the hole is there. You see the screw, that's for the handbrake system. Okay, cool. Okay, this side is done. One screw here. Okay, this is the back one. Alright, so if you have almost finished,
artist to go and have a coffee with.
okay, so now we have time to close the roof again, because we need space exactly behind the seats. That's the trouble job. Okay, just look. Okay, now we go to the small room. I hate this, but I just guess somebody tell you that's not necessary, but no. Great job, all should be done. Last one is somewhere here. Okay, what we can do next? Screwdriver. The 3-bed screw is fitted, so now it's time for the back panel. Try keep it correctly, just like before I told you. I don't see what I did. Okay. Just guess. Maybe after open would be better. No. Oh yeah, yeah. Right. Found the place. Okay. I saw the place that was like, I think somewhere here for another. Yeah, another screw here. So I'll try fit. Yeah, that's the one. We'll find just where is the whatever. Ah, here. Again, I completely can't see what I'm doing. Alright, looks correct. That's the last one. Really guess this. Next time I'm take it in some mirror. Okay. Okay, no more. Okay, so the next step I hope will be the panel. I'm not sure how to do this. Because this is a special place there. Something like that. Alright, so bobbin, cool, click in, yeah, like that. Oh yeah, now it's cool. It's not too high no. Okay guys, now the funny few clips. Of course I don't have all, so I just put the few. Okay, so I have to really guess where it is. Yeah, if you have at home some mirror, you can take the mirror and try and find the place. Okay. Alright. One more here. Yep. here. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, so almost done. Left, guys, the last panel. If you remember my last video, when we fixed it, the roof was leaking under this, was dropping water down, so we have to this rubber, remove it again, put some silicone, put back, but that's done. Alright, and just go for the panel. Okay. Alright, this is the, okay, other side. Wrong way, wrong way. Yeah, should be like that, and that's the magic something now. First we have to put in the pop on the top. That's my heavy job, I think. Here. Yes. That's be the trouble. Okay. Should be jumped in this plastic. So that's, believe me, that's not too much space for. Okay, yeah, something like that. Yeah. Sometimes we can gently. Alright, so now left. Yeah. One. I just put the two clips on the two corners because the one was missing or damaged maybe. I don't have. Okay. It's not easy, guys. Still it's perfect. Okay, going in. Yeah. Okay, just the one left, the one clip. I have to order the clip and put back together. So at the moment you can put something like that. No, maybe for that makes sense. Alright, I left this like empty and quick ordered the stuff for fishing. Alright, so guys, the last step is the wind deflector for here. So we open the roof again. Ignition on. 1 second. Okay, here we go. Alright, perfect. It's really good position. It's not too high. Okay, so down. My wind deflector is a little bit bigger like standard, because the standard is like half. It's fitted on the screw and not inside. Alright. Screwdriver. Go in. A socket. Yeah. Okay, very well. Still I have left the original paperwork from Jap, like the car was coming here. Of course I'm not sure what exactly is, but was here. That's cool. Okay, other side. So looks like we replaced the seatbelts. Now looks much better. So okay, I just put back the seats now and quick test how is locked. Front bolt we have for the roof. Second one is that. So let's see. Okay. Nice. At the moment, first we have to see like moving the carpets on my way. Okay. Next we have to move the seats and the other. Oh, something else. I forgot about the connected the seat belt. Is important. I'm not sure if we can do this on the side. Yeah, there is possible. There is possible connected back when the seat is on the rail. Okay. Not easy. Guys, I forgot about the plug-in. The seatbelt sensor. My mistake. So I have to working harder now. But yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's done. Okay, we come back to the back seats. Now 14. Yeah, much better. Okay, 14 and pull it out, please. Okay. Before you tie it fully, check the times. Okay, moving fine. Well done. Next step is put back the seatbelt in the correct place and happy day. Cool.